Percentages of amounts. Modelling. We know that one whole is equal to 100%. If we split 100% into two equal parts, each part will be 50%. If we split 100% into 10 equal parts, each part will be 10%. If we split 100% into 20 equal parts, each part will be 5%. And if we split 100% into 5 equal parts, each part will be 20%. Knowing these facts will help you when you need to find percentages of amounts. Find 20% of 35. For this question, we've been given a bar model. We can see that 100% is 35, and we have split that into 5 equal parts to find 20%. So, to find 20% of 35, we need to divide 35 by 5. 35 divided by 5 equals 7. So each of these equal parts is worth 7. We can see that 20% of 35 is 7. Find 90% of 60. To help us with this question, we're going to draw a bar model. 90% is a multiple of 10, so I'm going to split my bar model into 10 equal parts, and each part will be worth 10%. To find 90%, we need to find the value of 9 of these parts, because 9 times 10% equals 90%. First, we need to divide 60 by 10 to find what one part is equal to. Each part is equal to 6. We know 10% of 60 is 6. To find 90%, we need to find the value of 9 of these parts. So we need to multiply 6 by 9. 90% of 60 equals 54. Find 60% of 105. First, we're going to draw a bar model. We know that 100% equals 105. To find 60%, we need to split this bar model. We know that 60% is a multiple of 20%. So we're going to split the bar model into 5 parts. Each part is worth 20%, and we need to find 3 of these parts to find 60%. Pause the video now and use the bar model to find 60% of 105. To find 20% of 105, we divide 105 by 5. 105 divided by 5 equals 21, so each section is worth 21. 60% of 105 is equal to 21 times 3, so 60% of 105 is 63. Well done if you got that correct. Find 35% of 80. 35% is a multiple of 5%. So, when you draw your bar model, you need to split it up into 20 sections, each worth 5%. Pause the video now and have a go at this question. You should have drawn your bar model like this. Dividing 100% by 20 gives you 5%, so each section is worth 5%. To find 35%, we need to find the value of 7 of these sections, because 7 times 5% equals 35%. To find 5% of 80, we need to divide by 20. So 80 divided by 20 equals 4. 5% of 80 equals 4. So each of these sections is worth 4. To find 35%, we need to multiply 4 by 7. So 35% of 80 equals 28. Well done if you got that correct.